Hi, I'm Jesse, and this is our Musical Instruments series. Today, we will take a look at an instrument that you play with your thumbs. Take a look at this instrument. What do you think it's called? How do you think you play this instrument? And how do you think it sounds? Well, let me start by showing you a different instrument, but similar. This is something you might recognize. It's a music box. Yeah. Now, both of these instruments have a name. They're called lamellaphones. Yeah, they're both lamellaphones. And a lamellophone is an instrument that makes sound using small metal plates. Yeah, actually, the word lamellophone comes from the Latin word lamella, which means small metal plates, and the Greek word phone, which means sound. So yeah, we're getting sound from small metal plates. Metal plates like we see here in this instrument. But first, let's look at the small metal plates and how they make sound in our music box. Now, when a music box is first wound up, the mechanics will spin this little drum right here. And you'll notice some little bumps or divots on this drum. When those bumps pass by these small metal tines, or these metal plates, it plucks them so they vibrate, and that creates the sound. You'll notice some thinner metal plates, which create higher pitched sounds, and you'll find some thicker metal plates that create lower pitched sound. Now, let's give it a try. Now, let's look a little closer at our instrument of mystery right here. I bet you're wondering what it's called. Well, it actually goes by a few names. There are people who call it a mbera. There are people who call it a kalimba. And some people call it a thumb piano because you do play it with your thumbs. Now, this instrument has been around for a long time. It was created thousands of years ago in Africa, and it's still made today and found all over the world. Take a look at the small metal tines. You'll see some longer ones. Those are for the lower pitched notes. And you'll see some shorter ones, which are for the higher pitched notes. Each length represents a different note. Are you ready to hear the mbera in action? One last thing to remember, this hole here, also important, because it allows the sound to reverberate and it amplifies the sound just a little bit. Ready?